to Auto Assets 1976 911S. This car has been mechanically restored by the techs at Auto Assets. Went through the suspension. It got new control arm, torsion bar bushings, sway bar bushings, turbo tie rod ends, new shocks. Tires are date coded 2016. Someone has upgraded this car with a set of 7 and 8-inch Fuchs wheels. They've been polished. This is kind of a unique car. It's a 76, so it's got wind-up windows, and it has a single power mirror. There's no mirror on the passenger side. The odometer currently reads 175, 8 and change. And if you look at the way that the sport seats, the Recaro sport seats have worn in, the leather is cracked and nice. It shows excellent patina. It's got 175,000. I would say each of these creases is a smile someone made. The dash is in excellent condition with no cracks. This is a unique car in that it's got sunroof, and probably one of my all-time favorite features, it's got pop-out quarter windows. So like the early cars, it's got a pop-out window. When we received this car, it had broken head studs, so we sent the engine case out to Arizona to Ollies, and they line bored the case, and we sent the crankshaft off and had it polished and crack checked. We restored the 2.7 engine back to factory specifications using Porsche head studs. Sent the fuel distributor off and had it rebuilt. It's got a new thermo time switch. The car starts and runs like a 2.7 is supposed to start and run. Does have the impact bumpers, again, quarter windows, and the unique passenger side with no mirror. Again, passenger seat shows good wear, nothing I'd be concerned about at all. Shows 175 on the clock, but mechanically we've gone through everything. Rear torsion bars are brand new. The torsion bars that were in there, the bushings had been worn out long enough that we couldn't put the old torsion bars back in, so it's got new torsion bars, new shocks, new bushings. It's just a delightful car. Some of the cool stuff here, chrome headlight bezels. You know, later in life, some people went with the painted. Those look super nice. A common area for these cars to rust is in this front trunk area, and this car is in nice shape. If you look at the area in where the spare tire is, that's nice and solid. They just did a super nice car. Nice job putting this car together. Whoever did the paint work, they did a nice job. We finished it by doing the mechanical work. So I would say the only real blemish is an inside out ding. It cracked the paint, and I'm going to call that a badge of honor. We'll go to the starting video, and this car hasn't been run for a couple of hours, so it should start right up nice. Settles in at a nice 25 pounds of oil pressure at idle. So that's how that car should start and run. It's a terrific model. Call with any of your questions.